All right, so here's the deal. Got it set up, right? It's a brand new battery. It's like 12 volts. I have it on a tender, but I took the tender off, so it's true just 12 volts. Got it on alligator clips all the way down. And then I have these alligator clips connected to my multimeter leads, and there's just because I need the extra length. And I'm gonna use these right here to go into this pin for the fuel pump. All right. Basically, this is the negative. Right here. This is the positive, and it should prime, but it's not going to because I think my fuel pump's messed up. That's what's going on right now. The fuel pump should prime, but it's not priming. So, I think I need a new fuel pump. I think that's what's going on.